Hi, in this video we are going to see how we can implement stream to list method. So we see before 16 and with 16 also how we can to collect the information in a list. So now list string list 1. Before 16 we use stream and a collector. Inside the collector to list. So this way we can also add the list, get list. Okay, now we print this program. Now we can going with 16. And here no need to use collect and collector to list. We just to list method use, and so this method is no need to write. Now 16. Now run this program and check out. So both are print the value of array list. So this way we can implement stream dot to list method. So it is looking a very short. So this